Hey everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to know who viewed your featured collections on Facebook. Let's dive in. First thing first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Then click on your profile by tapping on your profile picture on the top left corner. Once you are in your profile, scroll down and tap on your featured collections. You can see the information just by swiping up. This will show you the total number of views and the specific individuals who viewed your story. Here, nobody has viewed my story, so there is no name mentioned. But if anybody has viewed your story or highlights or featured collection, then their name will appear here on the list. And that is it. If you found this video helpful or useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.